And so another question about this, smart contact. My spouse quit drinking, but is feeling resentment towards me about it. Now that's interesting. We're only communicating through email, though he is acting very cold. Should I continue emailing him every now and then? And this is from Anna. Anna, my question would be, why? What are you hoping to accomplish by emailing him every now and then? Now, when I read this, that he quit drinking, but he resents you because he quit drinking, boy, if we were having a conversation, I would really want to ask you several questions about that. Like, what does that mean? And why is he blaming you? Why is he resenting you? Did you do something to make that happen? And if so, did you do it because it really needed to happen? Like he's drinking and driving and endangering himself or your children or others? I'd want to ask those questions, but of course, in this context, I can't. And I'm saying, okay, if you're going to email him, ask yourself what you want to accomplish by that and what you truly expect to accomplish if you do. If you're saying, well, I'm just going to let him know that I'm still here and I still care. If he reacts negatively to those emails, is it accomplishing what you want? If he reacts positively to those emails, then maybe it is accomplishing what you want. But we often say this to people when they're thinking about doing anything or actually doing something. Why? What is it that you hope to accomplish? Now, if you haven't done it before, ask yourself, what's the likelihood that this will actually accomplish what I want it to? Or asking yourself, what's the likelihood it's going to accomplish something very different than what I want? Then based on that likelihood, make your decision as to whether you will do it or not. Now, in this case, you're already doing it. So I would say, how is he reacting? If he's reacting in a way that's good and positive, then sure, every once in a while, check in with him, even if he resents you. If he's reacting positively, if he's reacting coldly, which is what you seem to indicate here, then why would you keep doing that? If he's going to get that kind of response to you, are you really accomplishing what you want to accomplish? Now, again, we could talk a lot more about this if I knew why he resented you for that.